Okay, so here's a little walkthrough of a Château bedroom and bathroom, which is currently obviously in demolition phase. So as you can see, it's all been stripped out. There was a bath at the back below where those tiles were. I think it was a shower over bath, and everything else was stripped out. And here we've just lowered the ceiling slightly with some metal work. So that's pretty much all screwed, framed and clamped into position. Interesting way to do things, because I've never really framed with monton or metal work before. So this system's interesting, and you can be sure that everything's dead straight. So it's always a good thing. And this little tool here is the clamp that you use to almost staple it together, but without the staples. Next phase was getting plasterboard up. That little nib wall on the back there on the left was bowed like a banana, so we had to build that little wall over the top of it just to get it straight, because it was going to have tiles. And here we are with the plaster almost all hung, and obviously the services, plumbing and electrical, have been pulled through too. So looking good so far. And obviously the next stage would be to tape and joint all the plaster. So as you can see here, it's not the greatest job on earth, but I'm not a plasterer either, so cut me some slack. But it does the job, and obviously it hasn't been sanded. The other thing that they have here is polystyrene or foam corniche or cornice. And all you do is just get some glue and just put some on the back of it and stick it in position, cut it and stick it in position. And it's as easy as that, so light and so easy to work with. And finally, everything's been cleaned up, and this is the finished product. So bedroom, this was on the second floor, this job, so it took a lot to get everything back down, all the rubbish and everything. But I think all in all, everything came up nicely, and it looks quite good. The shower screen, a couple of mirrors over the vanity, and we kept the existing floor, which kind of fits in well with the theme of the room. So all painted, all done, and thanks for watching.